Tori and I sitting back here, we have seen various shadow figures. There's 3 poles in front of us. They just kind of ski around up the poles and up the rafters. There was one gentleman who was kind of toothpick-like, and he would literally drop from the ceiling and then just walk straight on out like there was no roof. And he did it twice for me.
Hello, everyone.
It's just been kind of crazy.
We're at McInteer Villa in Atchison, Kansas. We're actually in a severe thunderstorm warning right now.
You guys feel that?
What?
The floor.
No. Darren, hello. We are well.
Try not to die.
Yeah, trying not to die. Oh man, I am just trembling like I did the first time I went to the Axe Miller. Axe Murder House. In the Vista.
Hello, everyone. Yes, we're currently under a severe thunderstorm warning. And it was hailing just a second ago. I figured you guys might like to see the show here. We're in the attic.
Oh man, I am just incredibly uncomfortable up here. I cannot handle it almost.
To give you an idea, it's that dark up here.
Oof. Darren says it's the perfect time for an investigation.
I love it.
Yes. I love it, but I've got like the chills so bad, like something is right behind Tori and I. Boy, that's a lot of pressure. It's like right underneath my shoulder blades and on the sides. There's a lot of pressure.
Thank you guys for all the new follows and stuff and hanging out. All that noise you're hearing is like rain and hail. It's like kind of sprinkled in there a little bit.
Ugh. Stephanie, what are you feeling?
People are just staring at us.
Yeah.
Like we are the animals in a zoo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, what are they gonna do next?
I have the camera pointed to the windows in the attic of McInteer.
Is that a yell?
I didn't hear
Didn't
it.
hear it.
The attic is this dark. I don't know. It should. Oh, there you go. You can see a little bit of it.
I just have and just a lot of pressure.
Do you have the flashlight?
I did. I did.
Do you see a light in that back one? Okay, is somebody up the stairs?
No, I don't think so.
It's lighter over there.
We had been seeing different things back there.
I'm sorry.
You're fine.
I didn't mean to invade your space.
Bubble violator. I'm just kidding.
Can I turn on my flashlight while I'm live? No. Dang it. Wait.
Oh, sorry. I was trying to find our flashlight so that we could show you here.
Oh, love it.
Yeah, it's windy outside too. Currently we're under a severe thunderstorm warning. So this is the attic of McInteer Villa. We're like blinding Stephanie with the light here. But it's a very big attic. And we're also by the black mirrors.
like these chills, man. I cannot handle it.
There's the windows again.
Do you hear that noise over there?
No, I was listening to Sarah's show.
It's squeaking, like a chair moving.
Someone being inappropriate on the children.
100%.
An attic is pretty much just the very upper floor of a house. They typically don't use it as living space. It's more of like a storage space type thing. Most people don't go in their attics. Can you make the cat ball go off down there like you did before? Purdy, please. With sugar on top and a cherry.
Chocolate syrup.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Oh, this person works at Eloise. That's awesome. That's on my bucket list, Eloise Asylum.
Oh. Oh, golly. I am so uncomfortable.
Did you hear that?
No.
It sounded like it was straight down there.
Oh, that made me very lightheaded. Wow.
The flash.
Yes, wow. Oh, I'm having a hard time grounding myself.
I could have swore I just saw like a red light down there. I don't know if
In
I
the
caught
right
it.
corner?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like a little red dot.
Uh-huh. It's almost like a laser dot.
Somebody's walking around over there.
Can you run really loud? Stomp. Let me hear you clap your hands.
Oh.
Knock, knock.
Well, it's because we like to be scared. We're up here ghost hunting.
Knock, knock.
Hello, grave goods.
Oh, I just got touched. I just got touched in my bum.
And your bum.
Oh, like it was like a
Oh,
flick.
interesting.
Yeah, like I got flicked. Like, guys. I'm struggling to stay put.
Mr. Grimm says hello on TikTok. Can you light up the cat ball and say hello back? I mean, it's all the way across the room. Mr. Grimm says hello on TikTok. Can you light up the cat ball and say hello back? I mean, it's all the way across the room.
Ooh.
Where are you?
I'm really hot on my legs.
Did you hear
did
that?
You hear that?
No.
I did.
It was like a
Yeah, I heard it over there.
yeah, like straight ahead. I'm really hot on my legs.
Did you hear that?
No.
I did.
It was like a
Yeah, I heard it over there.
yeah, like straight ahead. Like, I don't know if it was like a throat clearing or something.
Where are you?
Grave Good said, greetings from the grave.
Knock, knock.
Ooh, what
Did
was
you
that?
hear that?
That was right behind me.
Yep.
Ooh, that was right the fuck behind me.
I heard it.
Oh.
Knock, knock.
That's uncomfortable.
You're supposed to say who's there. Let's try it again. Knock, knock.
You have to talk real loud over the thunder so we can hear you.
Darren.
Marco.
Do you have your recorders going? No.
Nope.
We're just up here hanging out and decided to do this, and here we are.
Now, oh, that was Stephanie. I was like, now I just saw the red light in the thing, and it was Stephanie.
Oh, Stephanie's got one going right now.
Okay, it's just the three of us up here. I think everyone else left. You ready to come out and play? Knock, knock. Okay, something just touched this recorder.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I almost thought
Okay,
that I
that
heard
just,
a...
I'm gonna, okay. That
What the fuck?
was weird.
Did you hear that
Yeah.
back there?
No, what? What?
It was like,
Yeah.
Oh.
that was the weirdest.
This is a DR60.
Maybe you guys ask the questions.
I am just shaking.
Okay.
Pretty badly.
Hey, John. I remember when Haunted Souls was here, and I asked a question over the chat, and I asked you if you had anything to do with Alice's death, and you made the REM pod go off. So I wanted to ask you again in person, did you have anything to do with Alice's death? How come you never claimed her as your daughter in your obituaries? Do you think that you're ever going to tell anyone what happened?
I'm so lightheaded.
I'm going to end my life because